career point here is an coding challenge opportunity from the Walmart Global Tech India. So those who crack this opportunity, then they will get an offer of summer internship 2025 and will be offered around 1.1 lakh per month. So before going to registration, you can see here how many number of registrations done as on now. And so first of all, who are eligible, we need to identify engineering students and postgraduates. So they are exclusively selecting or offering, giving this opportunity for only 35 colleges in India. So for second year, third year, fourth year, and M.Tech first year, dual degree fourth year, and those who are having the 7 plus CGPA. So the eligible students, eligible institutes are only 35. So you can click here for identifying the eligible 35. So you can see here Anna University, Birla Institute of Technology, Pitspilani, Chandigarh College of, and so these are the 35 organization. You can see here by clicking here. So if we click here, and if you are the student studying in this institute, you can eligible to apply. So and the rest of the students are not eligible to apply for this coding challenge. And you can also verify the eligibility criteria if your institute is there in this 35, and go through all the details are given here, details, deadlines, prices, reviews. So prices also they have mentioned. Top 100 students, they will get a summer internship offer 2025 at a monthly stipend of 1.1 lakh, and remaining students are not eligible. So first check your institute and then go through the other eligibility criteria, and before the deadline, so you have only 4 days left, and during these 4 days you need to reach the registration and then go through the stages timeline. October 21st is the first challenge, and then October 24th the second challenge, October 30th the next challenge. After finishing all, they'll shortlist the students based on their performance and happen before rolling out final semester. So this is the information related to this opportunity from the Walmart. So you can share with all your friends for better, all your friends, and like the video for better reach. Thank you all. Link is provided in the description box.